I like it.
I still do.
Well, I like water skiing. That's what took me to. That's what took me to Florida.
Yeah, I
was
can
water
fuck myself
skiing.
up too bad.
Well, I did.
And I couldn't tell it. Anyways.
Plenty of times.
So I'm going to try these over the counter. Total like $400. I tried the noise masking before and it seemed to work. I'm going to do a longer version of that on my own. I got the app.
I wonder if it's basically noise canceling that you just kind of dial in. You know, it's got some sort of frequency modulator.
That's what I'm curious about.
My tinnitus right now is a moving target. For years, I've lived with what sounded just like insects. Oh, there's crickets. And now, but I got these tones that are starting to hit intermittently. And that worries me a little bit. That does worry me.
Have you done any noise masking?
Probably not at the level you've done it.
Yeah.
I do organic noise canceling, fans, air conditioners.
When you find that stuff, that's key, man.
Yeah. Well, it knocks me right out. Like a window air conditioning unit, just because everything seems to just balance.
Well, I mean, Robbie, if you're finding that masking's already working, you should take it to the next level. There's free apps, tone generators. I actually dialed mine in. 7888 is my tone.
Okay, well, there you go.
I hit that, and it's like I don't have anything. And if I can handle it for a good hour or so, probably for an hour or two afterwards, I have nothing. And then it really doesn't come back hard until like that night.
Yeah. I've tried it not even knowing I was trying it. Does that make sense? I just go, hey, I
yeah, but once you know what you're trying and you dial it in, it's totally different.
Well, I do have these moments, and listen, it's once or twice a year. I'll wake up in the middle of the night, completely quiet, nothing, and I'll even go, I don't have, my ears aren't ringing, and I fall back asleep. Wake up the next morning, I'm right back where I was. What makes it shut off like that? I mean, literally like a key just shuts off and it's completely silent. And it's almost frightening. It's almost frightening because for the first time in, many, many years, your environment changes and there's quiet. And it's like, well, did I die? What is this? And it just slowly comes back. And the next morning it's back where it was, unfortunately, when I went to bed the night before.
Well, I think there's something to this, Rob, and I'm, I used my headphones. I tried it with my own stuff, but I couldn't hear outside people. I couldn't hear anything outside of my little ear muff, and it worked. So I'm going to try this, and we'll see how it works.